Hi students, today in this video we are going to discuss about rational numbers. Before classes we learned first property is closure properties. Now the discuss second property is commutative properties. Commutative property in the set of natural numbers under four operations. Now the discuss addition. What is sum of any two natural numbers? For example, 2, 3. 2 is a natural number, 3 is a natural number. What is sum? 2 plus 3 equal 5. Change the order. What is sum? 3 plus 2 equal 5. 5 is 5. The sum is equal. 2 plus 3 equal 3 plus 2. If general, if A and B any two natural numbers, A plus B equal B plus A. Natural numbers are commutative under addition. Next, discuss subtraction. Same numbers, for example, 2, 3. What is the difference? 2 minus 3 equal minus 1. What is the difference? 3 minus 2 equal 1. Minus 1 is not equal 1. Difference are not equal. 2 minus 3 is not equal 3 minus 2. If general, if A and B any two natural numbers, A minus B is not equal B minus A. Natural numbers are not commutative property under subtraction. Next, discuss multiplication. What is the difference of any two natural numbers? For example, 4 and 5. 4 and 5 is a natural numbers. What is product? 4 into 5 equal 4 5 is 20. What is product? 5 into 4. 5 4 is 20. Is equal. 20 is equal 20. Their products are equal. 4 into 5 equal 5 into 4. If general, if A and B any two natural numbers, A into B equal B into A. So, natural numbers are commutative property under multiplication. Next discuss division. What is quotient of any two natural numbers? For example, 4 and 8. 4 and 8 is a natural numbers. What is quotient? 4 by 8 equal 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8. 1 by 2. What is quotient? 8 by 4. 4 1 is 4 2 is equal to 1 by 2 is not equal to. If general form, 4 by 8 is not equal 8 divided by 4. If A and B any two natural numbers, A divided by B is not equal B divided by A. Natural numbers are not commutative property under division. Natural numbers are commutative property under addition and multiplication. Natural numbers are not commutative property under subtraction and division. Next, discuss whole numbers. Commutative property in the set of whole numbers under 4 operations. Whole number starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now they discuss addition. What is sum of any two whole numbers? For example, 0, 4. What is sum? 0 plus 4 equal 4. What is sum? 4 plus 0 equal 4. 4 equal 4. So, sums are equal. 0 plus 4 equal 4 plus 0. If general, if A and B any two whole numbers, A plus B equal B plus A. Whole numbers are commutative property under addition. Next, discuss subtraction. What is the difference of any two whole numbers? For example, same numbers 0 and 4. What is different? 0 minus 4 equal minus 4. What is the difference? 4 minus 0 equal 4. Minus 4 is not equal 4. Difference are not equal. 0 minus 4 is not equal 4 minus 0. If general, if A and B any two whole numbers, A minus B is not equal B minus A. Whole numbers are not commutative property under subtraction. Next, discuss multiplication. What is product of any two whole numbers? For example, 0 and 5. 0 is a whole number, 5 is a whole number. What is product? 0 into 5 equal 0 5 is 0. What is product? 5 into 0. 5 0 is 0. Products are equal. 0 into 5 is equal 5 into 0. If general, if A and B any two whole numbers, A into B equal B into A. Whole numbers are commutative property under multiplication. Next, discuss division. What is quotient of any two whole numbers? For example, 8 and 12. 8 is a whole number, 12 is a also whole number. What is quotient? 8 divided by 12 equal 8 by 12, 4 2 ja, 4 3 ja, 2 by 3. What is quotient? 12, 12 divided by 8. 12 by 8. 4 2 ja, 4 3 ja, 3 by 2. 2 by 3 is not equal 3 by 2. Quotient are not equal. 8 divided by 12 is not equal 12 divided by 8. If general, if A and B any two whole numbers, A divided by B is not equal B divided by A. Not commutative. Whole numbers are not commutative under division. Next, whole numbers are commutative under addition and multiplication. Whole numbers are not commutative property under subtraction and division. Next, discuss integers. Commutative property in the set of integers under four operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Now they discuss addition. What is sum of any two integers? For example, -3 and 2. What is sum? -3 plus 2 equal -1. What is sum? 2 minus 3 equal -1. -1 is equal -1. Sums are equal. -3 plus 2 equal 2 minus 3. If general, if A and B any two integers, A minus B equal B minus A. Integers are commutative property under addition. Next, discuss subtraction. What is the difference of any two integers? For example, -3 and 2. What is the difference? -3 minus 2 equal -5. What is difference? 2 minus -3 equal 2 minus into minus plus 3 equal 5. -5 is not equal 5. Difference are not equal. -3 minus 2 is not equal 2 minus 3. If general, if A and B any two integers, A minus B is not equal B minus A. Integers are not commutative property under subtraction. Next, discuss multiplication. What is the product of any two integers? For example, -5 and 3. -5 is an integer number, 3 is also integer number. What is product? -5 into 3 equal -5 3 is 15, -15. What is product? 3 into -5. 3 5 is 15, -15. -15 is equal -15. Products are equal. -5 into 3 is equal 3 into -5. If general, if A and B any two integer numbers, a into b is equal b into a. Integers are commutative property under multiplication. Next, discuss division. What is quotient of any two integers? For example, I take -3, 6. What is quotient? -3 divided by 6 equal -3 by 6. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. Equal -1 by 2. What is quotient? 6 divided by -3 equal 6 by -3. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. -2 by 1. -1 by 2 is not equal 2 by 1. Quotient are not equal. -3 divided by 6 is not equal 6 divided by -3. In general, if a and b any two integers, a divided by b not equal b divided by a. Integers are not commutative property under division. Integers are commutative property under addition and multiplication. Integers are not commutative property under subtraction, under division. Next, discuss rational numbers. What is the rational numbers? Any number which can be form of p by q, where p and q are integers, but q not equal 0. Commutative property in the set of rational numbers under 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. First case of addition. What is sum of any two rational numbers? For example, I take 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. What is sum? 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4. Denominator LCM. First of all, 2, 4. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. 2 into 1 into 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. LCM equal 4. 2 2 ja 4. 2 into 1, 2 plus 4 1 ja 4. 1 into 3 equal 2 1 ja 2 plus 3 1 ja 3 by 4 equal 2 plus 3 equal 5 by 4. What is sum? 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. LCM 4. 4 1 ja 4. 1 into 3, 3 plus 2 2 ja 4. 2 into 1, 2. 1 3 ja 3 plus 2 1 ja 2 by 4 equal 3 plus 2 equal 5 by 4. 5 by 4 is equal 5 by 4. Sums are equal. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 is equal 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. If general, if a and b any two rational numbers, a plus b equal b plus a. Rational numbers are commutative property under division. Commutative. Next, discuss subtraction. What is the difference of any two rational numbers? For example, same numbers 1 by 2, 3 by 4. What is difference? 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4 equal LCM 4. 2 2 ja 4. 2 1 ja 2 minus 4 1 ja 4. 1 3 ja 3 equal minus 1 by 4. What is difference? 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 equal LCM 4. 4 4 1 ja 4. 1 into 3 3 minus 2 4 ja 4. 2 into 1 2 equal 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4 is not equal 1 by 4. Difference are not equal. 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4 is not equal 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. If general, if A and B any two rational numbers, A minus B is not equal B minus A. Rational numbers are not commutative property under subtraction. Next, discuss multiplication. What is product of any two rational numbers? For example, same numbers 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. What is the product? 1 by 2 into 3 by 4 equal 1 3 ja 3, 2 4 ja 8. What is product? 3 by 4 into 1 by 2. 3 1 ja 3, 4 2 ja 8. 3 by 8 equal 3 by 8. Products are equal. 1 by 2 into 3 by 4 is equal 3 by 4 into 1 by 2. If general, if A and B any two rational numbers, A into B is equal B into A. Rational numbers are commutative property under multiplication. Next, discuss division. What is quotient of any two rational numbers? For example, 7 by 3 and 14 by 9. What is quotient? 7 by 3 divided by 14 by 9 equal 7 by 3 into 14 by 9 reciprocal 9 by 14. 7 1 ja 7 2 ja 3 1 ja 3 3 ja equal 3 by 2. What is quotient? 14 by 9 divided by 7 by 3 equal 14 by 9. 7 by 3 is reciprocal 3 by 7. 3 1 ja 3 3 ja 7 1 ja 7 2 ja equal 7 by 2 by 3. 3 by 2 is not equal 2 by 3. Quotients are not equal. 7 by 3 divided by 14 by 9 is not equal 14 by 9 divided by 7 by 3. If general form, if A and B any two rational numbers, A minus A divided by B is not equal B divided by A. Rational numbers are not commutative property under division. Rational numbers are commutative property under addition and multiplication. Rational numbers are not commutative property under subtraction and division. Okay, students.